Let x not equal to 0 and mod x less than 1 by 2, and given f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 4x square plus x cube dash dash, then f inverse x is equal to dash. Here is given function of x is equal to 1 plus x plus 4x square is 3x whole square and 8x cube is x whole cube up to dash dash. This is infinite GP. Infinite GP S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. Is a value is 1 by 1 minus r, that is 2x. This is the given function f of x. That is, first we find the inverse of x. Is f of x is equal to y. 1 by 1 minus 2x is equal to y. 1 by y is equal to 1 minus 2x. Therefore 2x is equal to 1 minus 1 by y. Is y minus 1 by y is equal to y minus 1 by. Therefore inverse function f inverse x is equal to x minus 1 by 2x. This is the inverse function for the given function. The range of the function f of x is equal to minus of under root of minus x square minus 6x minus 5 is dash. This is 2 TSM set 7th May 2018 question. So now we find the range of this function. Let us take f of x is equal to y. Is f of x is minus under root of minus x square minus 6x minus 5 is equal to y. So squaring on both sides. Minus x square minus 6x minus 5 is equal to y square. That is, take this side, that is x square plus 6x plus y square plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So now the x values of x is equal to applying minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b is minus 6 or minus under root of b square 6 minus 4ac 4 into y square plus 5 by 2a is equal to minus 6 plus or minus under root of 36 minus 4y square minus 20. 36 minus 20, that is equal to minus 6 plus or minus the root of 36 minus 20 minus 4y square by 2a by 2. Take 2 common, x is equal to, take 2 common, minus 3 plus or minus, here is root 4 common, that is 4 minus y square by 2, where 2 cancelled. F inverse x is equal to minus 3 or minus of 4 minus. Since x is a real number, 4 minus y square greater than or equal to is 2 minus y into 2 plus y greater than or equal. From this, y minus 2, take minus common, y plus 2 less than or equal. Therefore y belongs to interval minus 2 comma 2. Hence the range is equal to minus 2. If f maps to closed interval 1 to infinity to closed interval 1, defined by f of x 1 plus under of 1 plus 4 log x base, then f inverse 3 is. Here we find the inverse function. Here is given function f of x is equal to 1 plus under root of 1 plus 4 log base 2 is equal to, taken as y, say 1 plus under root of 1 plus 4 log x base 2 equal to 2y under root of 1 plus 4 log x is equal to 2y minus 1. Pairing on both sides is 1 plus 4 log x base 2 is equal to 2y minus 1 whole square. 4 log x base 2 is equal to 2y minus 1 whole square minus 1, and log x base 2 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now x is equal to 2 to the power of 2y minus 1 whole square minus 1 by 4. Therefore the function inverse x y minus 1 minus 1. Now we find the value of f inverse 3. Is x is equal to inverse 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 2y. 2 into 3 is minus 1, that is 25 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 24 by 4 over 6, 2 power 6. The value of f inverse 3 is 64. If f maps to z is defined by f of x is equal to x by 2, where x is even, equal to 0, where x is odd, then the function f of x is dash. Here is given x is odd. X is odd means odd numbers for f of 1 and f of 3, the f of 5 is equal to all these values are 0. That means 1 comma 3 comma 5 up to dash dash, all the odd numbers have only one image is 0. F of f is not 1 1 function, is not 1 1, where if x is even, where x is equal to 0 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 4 plus or minus 6 dash dash. The value of x by 2 is equal to 0 by 2 is plus or minus 2 by 2 or minus plus or minus 4 by 2 or minus 2 plus or minus 6 by 2, that is plus or minus 3 up to dash dash. That means here x by 2 values are 0 comma plus or minus 1 or minus plus or minus 3 dash dash. Hence range of f is even z. Range is equal to codomain. This is codomain. Therefore f is onto function. Here f is not 1 1 and f is onto function. First option is correct answer, onto but not 1 1. If f maps to 2 comma infinity to b is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5, a bijection, and then b is equal to dash. The 2011 question. Here is given the function f of x. F of x is equal to square minus 4x plus. Take differentiation with respect to x is f dash x is equal to x minus dash x is equal to 0, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. If x greater than 2, f of f dash x greater than 0, dash x greater than 0 means f of x increasing function. Therefore minimum value is equal to f of 2 is equal to 2 square 4 into plus 5 or minus 8 equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Therefore clearly the set B is equal to 1 2 3. If f maps to 2 comma infinity to b is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5, a bijection, and then b is equal to dash. The 2011 question. Here is given the function f of x. F of x is equal to square minus 4x plus. Take differentiation with respect to x is f dash x is equal to x minus dash x is equal to 0, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. If x greater than 2, f of f dash x greater than 0, dash x greater than 0 means f of x increasing function. Therefore minimum value is equal to f of 2 is equal to 2 square 4 into plus 5 or minus 8 equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Therefore clearly the set B is equal to 1, 2, 3. F of 0 is equal to 0, f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 2, f of x is equal to f of x minus 2 plus f of x minus 3, x is equal to 3, 4, 5 up to dash dash. Then the value of f of 9 equal to dash. Say 2010 question. Here is given values is f of 0, 0 and f of 1 equal to 1. F of 2 is equal to 2. And the given relation is f of x is f of x minus 2 plus f of x. So now we find f of 9. First we find the value. Put x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. That is f of 3 is equal to, substituting in this equation 3 minus 2, f of 1 plus 3 minus 3 of 0. F of 1 is equal to 1, 0, 0, that is equal to x is equal to 4. Put x is equal to 4. F of 4 is equal to f of 4 minus 2, f of 2 plus f of 4 minus 3, f of 1. F of 2 value is 2, f of 1, 1 plus 1. Put x is equal to 5. That is f of 5 is equal to f of 5 minus 2. This is f of 3 plus f of 5 minus 3, f of 2. F of 3 value is f of 2 is 2. X is equal to 6. F of 6 is equal to f of 6 minus 2. F of 4, f of 6 minus 3. F of 4 is 3. F of 3, 1. 3 plus 1. X is equal to 7. F of 7 is equal to f of 7 minus 2. F of 5. F of 7 minus 3. F of 5 value is 3. And f of 4 value is 3. 3 plus 3. X is equal to 8. F of 8 is equal to f of 8 minus 2. 6, 8 minus 3, f of 5. F of 6 value is 4 and f of 3 value is 8 minus 3, f of 5. F of 5 value is, so 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And put x is equal to 9. That is f of 9 is equal to f of 9 minus 2, 7, f of 9 minus 3. F of 7 is equal to 6, f of 6 is 4, 4 is equal. Therefore, the value of f of 9. If capital R is the set of all real numbers and f maps to R minus 2, capital R is defined by f of x is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. For x belongs to R minus 2 is dash. This is MSET 2004 question. Here is given function is f of x is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Take f of x is equal to y. 2 plus x by 2 minus x is equal to y. 2 plus x is equal to y minus xy. Take x common. 1 plus y equal to 2y minus 2. X is equal to 2 into y minus 1 y plus. So domain of this function is domain is clearly here y plus 1 not equal to 0, that y not equal to minus 1. Domain is r minus of minus 1. Therefore, range of that function range is equal to r minus. Your fourth option is let Q be the set of all rational numbers in closed interval 0, 1 and f maps to closed 0, 1 to closed 0, 1 be defined by f of x is equal to x. X belongs to Q, that is rational number 1 minus x. X not belongs to rational number. Then the set S is equal to x belongs to 0, 21. Then f circle f of x is equal to dash. This is MSET 2014 question. For x belongs to Q, means x is rational number, that is f of x is given, that is equal to x. Now we'll find f circle f of x equal to f of x equal to f of x is x, again f of x is x. For suppose x not belongs to Q, it must not belong. Here f of x is given 1 minus x. Now we find f circle f of x equal to f of x. F of x value is 1 minus x, that f of 1 minus x. F of 1 minus x, that is 1 minus of 1. So 1 minus 1 plus x, 1 cancelled x. That means f circle f of x is equal to x is possible for all values of x in the domain closed 0, 1. First option is correct answer. 0, 1 is the correct answer. If f maps to r to r, g maps to r to r are defined by f of x is equal to 5x minus 3, g of x is equal to x square plus 3, then g circle f inverse 3 is equal to dash. Here is given function f of x is equal to 5x minus 3. First we find the inverse of this function. F of x is equal to y. 5x minus 3 is equal to y. 5x is equal to y plus x is equal to y plus 3 by 5. Therefore, f inverse x is equal to 5 plus the given function g of x is equal to x square plus 3. Now we find g circle f inverse of 3 is equal to g of f inverse 3. F inverse 3. Substituting 3 in this equation, f inverse x is equal to g of is 3 plus 3 by 5 equal to g of 6 by 5. Now g of 6 by substituting in this function, that is g of 6 by 5 is 6 by 5 whole square plus 3. 6 by 5 whole square, that is 6 by 25 plus take LCM, that is 25. 36 plus 3 into 20, 75. 75 plus 36, 1 by 2. The value of f inverse 3 equal 1. If set A is equal to x belongs to R, that is pi by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 3. Given function f of x is equal to sin x minus x, then f of A is equal to dash. This is MSET 2015 question. Here is given the function is f of x is equal to sin x minus x. Given interval is pi by 4 less than or equal to pi by 3. Clearly the function f of x is decreasing function. F of x is decreasing function in this interval, that is f of pi by 4. Decreasing function means greater than or equal to f of x greater than or equal to f of 5 by 3. From this equation, f of 5 by 3 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to f of 5 by 4. f of 5 by 3 sin pi by 3 sin pi by 3 minus 5 by 3, which is less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to f of 5 by 4, that is sin pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Sin 60, that is root 3 by 2 minus pi by 3, is less than or equal. F of x less than or equal to sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus pi by 4. Therefore, f of a is equal to closed interval root 3 by 2 minus pi by 3, comma, by root 2 minus pi. If f of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 4, then the set of values of x satisfying f of x minus 1 is equal to f of plus 1 is. Here is given function is f of x is equal to square minus 2x plus 4, and the given relation, so that is f of x minus 1 is equal to f of x plus 1. We find these values. F of x minus 1 whole square minus 2 into x minus 1 4 equal to f of x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square minus 2 into x plus 1, sides 4 cancel, minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1 and minus 2x plus 2 equal to x plus 1 whole square, x square plus 2x plus is minus 2x minus 2. Both sides x square cancelled, and minus 2x cancelled, 1 cancelled, plus 2x plus 2 is equal to x. Therefore, minus 2 is that equal to 4 is equal to 1. Set of values of x is the number of real linear functions f of x satisfying f of x plus f of x. This is MSET 2000 question. Here is asking linear questions, linear functions. That means take f of x is equal to linear function ax plus b. Here a is not equal to. Substituting in this given relation, f of x a into ax plus b equal to x plus f of x ax plus b, that is a square x plus ab plus b is equal to x plus ax plus b. Let's b cancel, take x common, square minus a minus 1 plus ab is equal to 0. From this, a square minus a minus 1 is equal to 0, ab is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0, means b is equal to 0. So a square minus a minus 1 is equal to 0 means a values are a is equal to minus b, 1 star minus b square, 1 minus 4ac, 1 plus 4 equal to 1 plus r minus root 5, 2. Here a values is 2, clearly a values are 2. So number of linear function, number of linear equal to if the range of the function f of x is equal to minus 3x minus 3 is 3 comma minus 6 comma minus 9 comma minus 8, then which of the following elements is not in the domain f? Here we find domain. So here is given function of x is equal to minus 3x minus 3. First we take f of x is equal to 3, means minus 3x minus 3 equal to 3. So minus 3x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 2 is the minus 2 is one element in the domain. Let us take f of x is equal to minus 6 is f of x is minus 3x minus 3 is equal to minus 3x is equal to minus 3 for x is equal to 1 is one of the domain. Let us take f of x is equal to minus 9. F of x is minus 3x minus 3 is equal to minus 9. Minus 3x is equal to minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. So x is equal to 2. And let us take f of x is equal to minus 18. F of x value is minus 3x minus 3 equal to minus 18. X is equal to minus 15. Therefore x is equal to 5. Clearly your domain is equal to minus 5. Here minus 1 cannot be in the domain. The given options minus 1 cannot be in the domain. The option is correct answer. Hence minus 1 cannot be in the domain. If f of x is a real function defined on minus 1 comma 1, then the function g of x is equal to 5x plus 4 is defined on the interval. EAMCET 2015 question. Here is given the function f of x is defined on minus 1 comma 1 closed interval. That is f of 5x plus 4 equal to g of x is also defined on minus 1 comma 1 than or equal to 5x plus 4 less than or equal. That is adding minus 4 on each term. Minus 1 minus 4 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 minus 4 less than or equal. For here 4 cancel is minus 5 less than or equal to 5x less than or equal plus 3. That is minus 5 dividing by 5, that is minus 5 by 5 plus 5 by 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 3 by 5. Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus 3 by 5. X is defined in the interval minus 1 comma, that is minus 3 by 5 comma 1. F maps to capital N to capital R is defined by f of 1 is equal to minus 1 and f of n plus 1 is equal to 3 into f of n plus 2 for all n greater than or equal to 1. Then the function f of x is dash. First answer 1 1, second one on 2, third one constant function. Fourth one f of n greater than 0 for all n greater than 1. This is EAMCET 2015 question. Here is given the value is given, that is f of 1 is given. F of 1 is equal to minus 1. The given function f of n plus 1 is equal to 3 into f of n plus 2. So put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 1, that is f of 1 plus 1, that is f of 2 is equal to 3 into f of 1 plus 2. We know here is given f of 1, that is 3 into minus 1 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus. Put n is equal to 2. Is f of 3 is equal to 3 into f of 2 plus 2. Here f of 2 value is minus 1. That is 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. Put n is equal to 3. That is f of 3 plus 1. F of 4 is equal to 3 into f of 3 plus 2. So f of 3 value is minus 1. That is minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. So here the values f of 2 minus 1, f of 3 is also minus 1, f of 4 is also. Clearly the function is the constant function. Here third option is system. Option is If f maps to R is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus mod x, then the value of f of 3x minus f of minus x minus 4x is equal to dash. MSET 97 question. Here is given f of x is equal to 2x plus mod x. F of 3x is equal to 2 into 3x plus modulus of 3 equal to 6x plus 3 mod x. F of minus x, 2 into minus x plus modulus of minus x minus 2x plus mod x. Therefore, value of f of 3x minus f of minus x minus 4x. F of 3x is 6x plus 3 mod x minus f of x minus of minus 2x plus mod x minus equal to 6x plus 3 mod x plus x minus x minus 6x plus 2x 8x 8x minus 4x 4x 3 mod x minus mod x plus 2 mod x. Take 2 common. 2x is 2x plus mod x value is given in the problem. F of x equal to 2 into of x. If f maps to 1 comma 2 comma 3 up to dash dash 2, 0 comma plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus 2 up to dash dash, defined by y is equal to f of x is x by 2 if x is even, minus of x minus 1 by 2 if x is odd, then f inverse of minus 100 is dash. This is MSET 1997 question. Here is given if x is odd, so take y is equal to minus of x minus 1 by 2, that is 2y is equal to minus x plus 1. This x is equal to 1 minus is equal to 1 minus 2y. Therefore, f inverse of x is equal to 1 minus 2x. Now we find the value of f inverse of minus 100, that is equal to 1 minus 2 into minus 100 equal to 1 plus 200 equal to 2. Therefore, value of f inverse of minus 100 201. If f maps to r plus 2 r such that f of x is equal to log x base 3, then f inverse x is equal to dash. MSET 98 question. Here is given f of x is equal to log x base 3. Now we find the inverse of this function. Take f of x is equal to y is log x base 3 is equal to y. Cancel log on both sides. Therefore, x is equal to 3 to the power of y. Therefore, the inverse function f inverse x is equal to the power of y. If f maps to R is defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, then f circle f of x plus 2 is equal to dash. Here is given f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So, f circle f of x plus 2 is equal to f of x plus. So, f of x value is given, that is 3x minus 2 plus 2. So, therefore, this is taken as x, substituting this value in f of x, that is 3 into 3x minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 9x minus 6 minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 cancelled equal to 3. Take 3 common. 3 into 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 value is f of x. For f of f circle of x plus 2 is equal to 3 into f of x. This is if f maps to R is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus mod x, then the value of f of 2x plus f of minus x minus f of x equals to dash. Here is given f of x is equal to 2x plus mod x. Now we find the value of f of 2x plus f of minus x minus f of x is equal to f of 2x 2 into 2x plus modulus of 2x plus f of minus x 2 into minus x plus modulus of minus x minus f of x 2x plus x 2 into 2x that is 4x plus 2 modulus of 2x that is mod x plus 2 into minus x minus 2x modulus of minus x is modulus of x minus 2x minus mod. Here is minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x plus 4x cancel plus mod x minus mod x cancel equal to 2 mod. If f maps to R and g maps to R are defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to x square plus 7, then the values of x for which f of g of x is equal to 25. Here is given f of g of x is equal to 25. So f of g of x is x square plus 7 equal to 25. So f of x that is 2 into x square plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 25. X square plus 15 plus 3 is equal to 25. Therefore 2x square is equal to 25 minus 17, 8. 2x square is equal to 8. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus. The values of x are minus 2. Let f maps to R is defined by f of x is equal to x plus 2, where x less than or equal to minus 1, x square minus 1 less than x less than 1, comma 2 minus x, where x greater than or equal to 1. Then the value of f of minus 175 plus f of 0.5 plus f of 1.5 is dash. So first the value of minus f of 1.75 is equal to minus 1.5.75 lies less than minus 1. Therefore that is taken the function x plus 2 that is minus 1.75 plus is equal to 0.2, and the value of f of 0.5 lies in between minus 1 and 1, that is the function is x square 0.5 whole square, 0.5 whole square is equal to 2, and f of 1.5 lies greater than 1. Given function is 2 minus x is 2 minus 1.5 that is equal to 0.5. Add all these three values. F of minus 1.75 plus f of 0.5 plus f of 1.5 equal to 0.25, 0.2 plus 0.5 that is equal to 2 functions f maps to R comma g maps to R are defined as follows. F of x is equal to 0, x is rational, 1, x is irrational. G of x is equal to minus 1, x is rational, 0, x is irrational. Then f circle g of pi plus g circle f of e is equal to dash. This is MSET 2001 question. First we find the value of f circle g of pi, that is equal to f of g of pi. Here f of g of pi, pi is irrational number. For irrational number, the function g of x is given 0, that is f of 0. F of 0, here 0 is rational number. The function f of x is given 0 for rational number 0. And we find g circle f of e, that is equal to g of f of e. F of e, here e is irrational number. For the irrational number, the function of x is given 1, that is g of 1. G of 1 is rational number. The function g of x is given minus 1. So add these two values. F circle g of pi plus g circle f of e equal to 0 minus 1 equal to f of x is equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x plus cos power 4x for all x belongs to R. Then f of 2002 equal to dash. This is MSET 2002 question. Here is given f of x is equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x plus cos power. Here cos square x value is 1 minus sin square plus sin power 4x by sin square x value 1 minus cos square x plus cos power 4. 1 minus, take sin square x common, that is square x 1 minus sin square x by 1 minus cos square x into 1 minus cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x into 1 minus sin square x value cos square x by 1 minus cos square x into 1 minus cos square x. Later denominator is same cancel. Therefore f of x is equal to, substituting x is equal to 2002 is equal to 1. Function f maps to R is defined by f of x is equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x for all x belongs to R. Then f of R is equal to dash. So here is given the function is f of x is equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x. Now we find f of R. F of R means in the range of that function, that is equal to cos square x value is 1 minus sin square x plus sin power 4x. Take sin square x common, that is 1 minus sin square x into 1 minus sin. Here 1 minus sin square x is cos square minus sin square x into cos square of x is equal to 1 minus dividing by 4, multiplying and dividing by 4 is 4 sin square x cos square. Here 4 sin square x cos square x is 1 minus 1 by 4 into sin square 2x. Now we find the range of this. We know that sin square 2x lies in between 0 and 1, that is 0 less than or equal to sin square 2x less than or equal to dividing by 4, that is 0 by 4 is 0 less than or equal to sin square 2x by 4 less than or equal to 1 by 4. So multiplying by minus, that is minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to minus sin square 2x by 4 less than or equal to. So add 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus sin square 2x by 4 less than or equal to 1. Here 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus sin square 2x by 4, that is of x less than or equal. Therefore range of f 3 by 4. If the functions f and g are defined by f of x is equal to 3x minus 4 and g of x is equal to 2 plus 3x for all x belongs to R, then find the value of g inverse of f inverse of 5 is equal to dash. This is MSET 2002 question. First we find inverse functions for both f and g. So first f of x is equal to y. 3x minus 4 is equal to y. From this x is equal to y plus 4 by 3. Therefore f inverse of x is equal to plus 4 by 3. Now we find the value of f inverse of 5 is equal to 5 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 9 by 3 is 3. Now we find the inverse of g of x. G of x is equal to y. G of x value is plus 3x is equal to y. So x is equal to y minus 2y. F inverse of g inverse of x equal to x minus 2y. This is the g inverse of x. Find the value of g inverse of 3. G inverse of 3 is 3 minus 2 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 3. Now we find g inverse of f inverse of 5. So f inverse of 5 value is, that is 3. G inverse of 3. G inverse of 3 value is 1. If f maps to R to R, comma g maps to R to R is defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 or g of x is equal to x square plus 7. The values of x such that g of f of x is equal to 8 are. This is MSET 2003 question. Here is given g of f of x equal to 8. G of f of x value is 2x plus 3 is equal to 8. So g of x, that is x square plus 7, that is 2x plus 3 whole square plus 7 is equal to 8. 2x plus 3 whole square, 4x square plus 9 plus 12x equal to 8 minus 7, that is equal to 1. 4x square plus 12x plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, that is equal to 0. Take 4 common. X square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to, from this x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, the values of x is minus 1 comma minus 2. Your third option is correct answer. If f maps to R and is defined by f of x is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 3x for each x belongs to R, then the range of f of x is. Here is given the function cos 3x. Cos 3x lies in between minus 1 and 1. That means minus 1 less than or equal to cos 3x less than or equal to 1. So multiplying by minus, that is, so 1 greater than or equal to minus cos 3x greater than or equal to minus 1. Is minus 1 less than or equal to minus cos 3x less than or equal to 1. Add 2, that is minus 1 plus 2 less than or equal to 2 minus cos 3x less than or equal to 1 plus 2, that is 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 less than or equal to 2 minus cos 3x less than or equal to, and take reverse, that is 1 by 3 less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 2 minus cos 3x, which is less than or equal to 1. Therefore range of the given function, range is equal to 1 by 3 comma 1. This is the range of the given function. If f maps to 2 comma 3 to R is defined by f of x is x cube plus 3x minus 2, then the range of f of x is contained in the interval. Here is given function f of x is equal to x cube plus x minus 2. So take f dash x is equal to 0. That means 3x square plus 3 is equal to 0. X square plus 1 is equal to 0. From this x square is equal to minus 1. That means f of x is neither increasing nor decreasing. No values of f of x. So f of x is equal to x cube plus x minus 2. Substituting 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 3 into 2 minus 2. 8 plus 6 minus 2. 10 minus 2. And f of 3 is equal to 3 cube plus 3 into 3 minus 2. 3 cube is 27 plus 9 minus 2. So 27 plus 9, 36 minus 2 is equal to 34. Therefore, range is equal to closed interval 12 comma x belongs to R. 2x minus 1 by x cube plus 4x square plus 3x belongs to R equal to. Now we find the domain for this. For this denominator not equal to 0. That is, denominator is x cube plus 4x square plus 3x not equal to 0. That is, x into x square plus 4x plus 3 not equal to 0. So x into factors for this is x plus 1 into plus 3 not equal to x not equal to is 0 comma minus 1 comma domain is R minus 0 comma minus 1 comma minus 3. Third option is correct answer.